Hi, my name is Andreas and I'm the sensor man at STEINEL. Today I'm going to show you how to install a sensor switched LED floodlight in a fast, easy and safe way. Therefore, I will use our sensor switched LED floodlight, the XLED HOME 2. But first, your safety is our concern, so please switch off the power supply. In the first step, I will undo the retaining screw, detach the enclosure from the wall mount as well as the plug-in terminal. If you need to install the floodlight surface mounted, we have spacers you can use on the backside of the wall mount. Before installing the wall mount, we plug in the ceiling plugs and pierce the hole for the wires. Now I will mark and drill the holes, fit the wall plugs, and afterwards I will fix the wall mount on the wall. We are now ready to connect the conductors to the plug-in terminal. In order to do so, I disconnect the plug-in terminal and connect it to the wall mount. In terms of the wiring, we have to ensure that the wires are connected properly. Therefore, we connect the phase, in this case the brown wire, to L, the ground wire, in this case the green-yellow one, to E, the neutral wire, in this case the blue one, to N. This connection is a switched live and is only needed if you want to interconnect more than one floodlight to each other. In the next step, I plug in the terminal attach the floodlight onto the wall mount and screw in the retaining screw. Now we can do the sensor settings for the time delay and for the twilight setting, as shown in the data down below. Last but not least, we can adjust the detection range of the sensor and the illumination of the floodlight according to your individual needs. Now you can switch on your mains voltage again and enjoy bright and automatic light. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.